Hey YouTube, today's video is going to be nothing about me or about my life, but I'm going to be sharing with you what I recently got to record my videos with better quality. I'm actually really excited about this. This is a Spark Digital microphone. It is a condenser microphone for iPad and USB or iPhone as well with the lightning connector. It's good for recording vocals and instruments and creating podcasts, capturing audio on location so there's no delay or anything like that. It works really good with GarageBand and hundreds of other apps. It does have a headphone jack for zero latency real-time monitoring, so it allows you to listen to your voice the second that you say something. It also has controls on the mic to create instant changes on the gain, mute, and the headphone volume as well. It also includes an adjustable desk stand with a built-in shock mount. I'm going to be unboxing this now. Let's get this bad boy opened up. The first thing you see when you open it is this manual, looks like. It comes in 2 different languages. I'm really excited about this microphone so I can make sure I'm recording in good quality so you guys can hear me. I saw online that it does come with a really cool pouch so you don't have to worry about scratches and whatnot. Alright, let's see what's in this box. And this is the microphone. Has a nice weight to it. This is the shock mount that it comes with. Just twist it on there. So I'm going to give a little sample of how it sounds with the microphone itself so you guys can tell the difference. Just twist on just like this. Shock mount's good for any kind of like extra movements that you don't want in your video. For example, if you hit your desk or something like that, this shock mount helps that. You can see it kind of wiggles. It's supposed to. Alright. And now let's see what is in this bag. Put that aside. It is a nice bag. It says Spark Digital on it. Has little fuzzy stuff inside of it. Pretty cool. What's in the bag? Let's see. Alright, so it looks like it's just the cables that you need. So just like the box says, it does come with a lightning cable for your iPhone or iPad, and as well as a micro USB cable for any other device. So I'm just gonna unwind this. And we will go ahead and attach it. These 2 cables, I noticed that it has both the lightning, not only the lightning for your phone, but also the headphone jack, so you can connect a headphone piece as well. I really like this shock mount because it is super adjustable. You can also make it tighter or loose, adjust it to however you need it. Now these are the microphone controls for whenever you can add your microphone. Back here is the focus on and off switch that you can switch on. And I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. Alright, the mic should be on, so now you're able to tell the difference of how it sounds with the microphone versus just my iPhone, which I've been recording for a while until I get a new camera. Like I said, these are the switches for the microphone. You can see when it goes up and down on the volume. If you push it, it does mute it. Click it again, it'll unmute it. Back here is the focus, off and on. I'm going to go ahead and flip it off so you can see the difference as well. So this is with the focus off. There's a slight difference that you might not be able to tell. This is better for when you're recording an instrument and whatnot. Picks up different background noises. So that is the unboxing of the Blue Spark Digital. Get yours on Amazon or check out their website at bluedesigns.com. They have a variety of microphones, headphone pieces you can also order, and they deliver to your door. Very efficient pricing This microphone costs $199. There's different options starting off at, I believe, $49.99. You can see on there for your iPhone. I do want to share a few things with people who are buying this microphone and watching this video. I want to give some kind of instructions and guidance. Microphone gain can actually change on the microphone itself instead of having to go on your computer and actually change it on there. So to do that, you just hold this button down for 3 seconds and the lights will turn orange. And you can turn up the sensitivity on the microphone itself. You might be able to see that my voice is getting a little higher and lower as I turn it down on the microphone gain. I like mine at high mainly because my podcasts are just me by myself in my room, and it's pretty quiet in here, so I want to make sure you guys hear me pretty crisp and clear. Now to mute it and just to be silent for a little bit, you just hold the orange button when it's orange. And that's just saying that it's on mute. Now back to the focus control on the back. When the switch is off, the microphone provides increased low frequency sensitivity for recordings with great impact and definition. When the switch is on, the microphone will provide even greater clarity and detail. My advice on this is just to feel free to play with it on and off, see what your preference is. I'll have to see myself. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I really hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, evening, week, or whatever time it is a day you're watching it. Thank you once again.